non-human interfaces. How are we interfacing with our technology moving forward? Well, right now, avant-garde is Xbox and waving our hands at it, or Galaxy handsets where eye movement is tracking our systems. We've got people now in deep comas who can communicate with systems by dilation and contraction of their pupils. So there are many ways that our human interface to robotics and technology is changing. In the future, we'll be able to print onto our skin interactive technology. Right now, we're able to define areas of our hands to act as keyboards for phones that are getting ever smaller. Now, these are the things for the future. But if you think about where we are today, is that humanoid robots, for example, are already here. If you look at Asia, it's a market where young, dynamic people do not want to look after the old folk. So they produced an answer to this many years ago and have come up so far with about 200 prototypes of humanoid robots who can look after mum and dad, and they can go get on with having fun in the world. And that's one of the driving forces behind this. Now, South Korea, which is one of the most technology-enabled, fast-moving societies in the world, I've got many answers to this. So they've got Actroid One, which is a robot that can walk and talk and speaks 4 languages and recognizes facial expression of the person they're talking to, and can recognize tone of voice change and respond accordingly. You've got Asimo, which is the Honda robot that actually can run, which is one of the hardest things to emulate in technology. It can run up and down stairs, it can run along and jump. So in terms of movement, we're already there. We've got robots, skeletal robots, which can help human beings lift 5 times their weight, 10 times their weight. So we get robotics, we get that it's here. It's not a thing for tomorrow, it's here today. So the question is, how are you going to use your robot in your sales force? How are you going to use your robot in your call center? What are you going to do in the shopping mall promoting your product? Is it staff or is it a robot? Do they have the same terms of reference for employment? Can you possibly abuse your robot? What are the rules of engagement? We're about to enter a really exciting era, but think of it this way. It's just another technology. It's another communication channel that isn't around the corner, it's here. Reem in the Mall of Dubai, if you go shopping there, is already there. It's a programmable robot that'll take you around the Mall of Dubai, and if you've been there, it's huge. You need someone to take you around. It'll give you shopping advice, it'll carry your shopping and guide you to the stores and the way out. So look, this stuff's already in and around and in use. Holograms projecting human beings are at airports, telling you to put things in plastic bags in the right way. Menial jobs will disappear. Some are saying as many as 2 billion jobs will disappear. Thomas Frey talks about this, that his view 2 billion jobs will disappear. Others are saying that 75% of all work will disappear by the end of this century, by 2100. Now, this isn't going to happen overnight, but the trick is, what does it mean for us? What does it mean for you? Is there an opportunity? Is there a threat? What do you do about it? One of the things you can do, read the papers, The Future of Technology, which you've written up in Content and Connect. Talk to other people about what they think they're going to do with it. Understand a little bit more about it and creep up on it slowly rather than have it catch you out sometime later.